beauties. Okay, so before this video actually gets started, I just want to say that this video was pre-recorded. It was in like August or something. I thought I couldn't find my camera charger, but y'all, glory be to God, I found it. So my next video after this one is gonna be with like more recent than this one. Hi beauties. Okay, so if you made an intro before this, disregard this clip. To my mommy, say hi, mom.
Hello.
And to me, she just washed her hair, especially washed. Let's blow dry it, do all that good stuff, baby girl. She wanted to be like me so bad. She was like,
no, darling.
She was like, your hair kind of cute. You want to do me like that? Oh, we gotta hook a girl up. Then I'm snatching out my head 2.5 seconds later. But yeah. So let's just get into the video. Okay, so hey beauties, we're recreating the style that I had in my head. My hair kind of looked rough because I had it for like a week now, in the clip that y'all saw me in. But yeah, my mom wanted like the same hairstyle as me, and she didn't think her hair could do that because she was like, my hair is 4C, it's nappy, it's too kinky, it's too blah 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 or whatever. Baby girl, I came to prove her wrong. Oh yeah, she was like, my hair's too short or whatever, because y'all know she just did the big chop. If y'all watched that video, I'll link that in the eye. Also, I'll link when Angelica did my voiceover when I did the hairstyle that I have in my head that I'm gonna recreate on my mom. I'll link that and has all the details of the products that I use and everything or whatever. But she was like, I don't think my hair can do that. Let's just wait another time or whatever. But I was like, no, I can do 2 videos in one. My mom turning my mom into me, and she didn't think her hair could do this, so I'm proving her otherwise. So this is basically what I'm doing. I'm doing the same process that I did on my hair, but if you want to know the full blown out process or whatever, just watch the video I linked in the eye or whatever. But yeah, so, and she just big chopped, well, I big chopped her hair for her. But so that's why her hair is short, but it has grown and it's continuing to grow. It's even grown since then, because this video was filmed in like August and it's September now. It has grown since then, baby girl. But I'm showing her that her hair can slick down. Like, I know y'all see that, baby girl. I know y'all see that. It's getting slick, it's getting sleek, baby girl. Like, yes ma'am. And who did that? I did. Okay, but just continue watching the video and I'll come back a little later, y'all. So we'll be back for the final reveal. About to add the montell. All that, baby girl. If you want to see that, click the eye, baby girl. And that's some periods. Why are you looking like that? I mean, why are you laughing? Yeah, we'll be back for the final reveal. Are you ready for the reveal? Okay, I'm sorry. Ooh. Okay, my forehead is so much bigger than my mama's, but we're gonna disregard that and just look at the ponytails. And what about it, baby girl? Hold on, let's do a side view. Jesus. Like, slant your head like this. We don't look alike. Alright, just do some. Alright, we kind of look alike then. Do we? I can't see. Can you see? Well, how we both gonna be blind? That's real ghetto, but I guess. But bye beauties. Give a quick sound. Y'all, let's see this hair real quick. Ha ha ha. Bye beauties, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what me and my mom look like. This video just really made me realize that we don't look alike. Or maybe it's because I get my gigantic for my dad. Dad, if you're watching this, yes, I said it. But and what about it? And If you're new to this channel, my name is Angelina. So hello, baby girl. If you wanna come be like me, just go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, baby. Say bye, biddies. Bye, biddies.